when everybody complains, that is the opportunity. I always thought when I was in school, when I was in university, I thought all the Bill Gates took off my jobs. Larry Ellison from America, they did all the successful things. They took all the wonderful opportunity. IBM benefit. So I thought we people no opportunity. I think I am too high. I should aim to support and help the people around me. Do tiny things. I never thought I could be successful. Just give me a minute, so no, go over there, sitting over there, please. So, after graduating in Master Institute, could be today, I can speak, I can write reading in this occasion. So, I don't think I'm a smart person, but I have worked with a lot of smart people. So, the most smart people, they almost wanted to do successful things. So give me the time, please. Okay. So quick and easy. I think it's not easy. I think it's not easy to be successful. Quickly, every day we prepare for 10 years. If we want to be successful, we have to learn in 10 years later. If we want to be successful, we should work with smart people. If we want to be successful, we should make a lot of mistakes and never give up. If we want to be successful, we learn from the mistake. A lot of people, look at me, brothers. A lot of people, they make mistake, they give up. We never give up. I learned a lot from my mistake. I learned a lot from those people who fail. And actually, I learned a lot from those people who already failed. And actually, when I fail, say, see, when I succeed, say, well, I never know I could be successful. This made me very positive and optimistic. So, sir, there is one thing that I hope one paper this time. So, because of so many mistakes, too much of failure, this makes me never complain. We are making mistakes every day, even to today. We make stupid decisions almost every day. Nobody knows. We thought it's smart about failure or it's stupid. So, but we learn, we do again. That's the life attitude. So the advice, the message, the experience that I want to give you to the young people, just in this occasion, I focus only on young people. Also the advice all the time, every day I tell to myself that nothing is easy, nothing is free. If we want to be successful, you have to pay the price. Nothing is easy means you have to think different. You have to do different. You have to be unique, actually, and to be different. And this will be the last paper. And this is my advice. And this is also telling myself every day. Today is very tough. And tomorrow is more tougher. And also, but the day after tomorrow is beautiful. It's sunshine. You have to work hard. Every tough days, every tough situation, tough problems, that is the training of yours. Thank you so much. Thank you.